Good day, I'm Mr. Meloda. I'm be presenting our topic today. Children's development, theories and psychology. What is a child development? Change from birth to adolescence, physical development, cognitive development, emotional development, and social development. What is a child psychology? Child psychology is a study of subconscious and conscious childhood development. Child psychologists observe how the child interact with their parents, themselves, and their words to understand their mental development. Jean Piaget, cognitive development. Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development proposed that children move through four distinct universal stages of intellectual growth: sensory-motor, operational, concrete, operational, and formal. Operational driven by active exploration, assimilation, and accommodation. Eric Erikson, psychosocial development. Erik Erikson's theory of a psychosocial development outlines a sequential stage from infancy to late adulthood, where individuals face specific social and emotional crises that shape personalities. Successful resolution of this conflict ranging from trust versus mistrust to integrity versus despair leads to positive, virtuous, and healthy development, while a failure can hinder future growth. Lev, Ga- Lev Gotsky, Cultural Theory, Social Interaction and Learning. Development stems from collaborative dialogue and interaction with the other. Every function appear twice, first on the social level, enter psychological, and later on individual level, intrapsychological. Culture as driver. Cultures that provide the tools of the intellectual adaptation and guide children is how to think and act. The more knowledgeable others, or MKO, is refers to anyone with a better understanding or higher ability level than learners regarding the specific task, such as teachers, parents, or peers. Sort of proximal development, or ZPD. The CPD is the distance between that a learner can do without help and what they can do with guidance. It presents to sweet spot to learning, scaffolding, a method of providing temporary, tailored support within the SZVT that is gradually removed as learners gains proficiency. Language and thought. Language is not just for communication but is the crucial tools for cognitive cognitive development, allowing children to regulate their thinking through the private speech, eventually turning into the internal thought. Smagprod's psychosexual theory. Smagprod's psychosexual theory proposed that personality develop in five distinct childhood stages: oral, anal, phallic latency, and genital, diverse by the shifting focus on libidinal energy, pressure on a specific erroneous zone, failure to resolve conflict as any stage cause, fixation, resulting in a specific adult personality trait or neurosis. Key component of the word of the theory: libido. Through the delivered human are born with a basic instinctual sexual drive, libido fixation. If a child experiences the trauma or overindulgence during a stage, they may become fixated, meaning they remain psychological stuck in the stage, impacting adult behavior. Personality structure. The theory is closely linked to the development of the primitive drive. ego, reality-based mediator, and superego, moral conscience. Albert Ventura, Social Learning. Albert Ventura Social Learning Theory, or SLT, posits that people learning new behavior, attitude, and emotional reactions by observing and modeling others, rather than solely through the direct experience. It emphasizes cognitive process and intersections between behavior, environment, and personal factors. Reciprocal determinism. The process requires four key steps: attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation. The modeling process is four steps. Attention, the observed must be focused on the modeled behavior. Retention, the observed must be store the observation in memory. Reproduction, the observed must be able to perform the behavior. Motivation, the observed must have a reason to imitate the behavior, often driven by vicarious reinforcement since the model rewarded. Importance of these theories: helps teachers improve instruction, helps parents understanding behavior, guidance counselors and caregivers. Conclusion: child's development varies for every child. Psychology explains growth and behavior. Understandings lead to better care and education. All of That's all. Thank you.